Hi guys, what's up? This is Arfan here from Incubator.com and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna break down GBPUSD and EURUSD for you one more time. And the reason is that I'm breaking down these two pairs is that recently we are seeing so much momentum during New York session, which is absolutely amazing. I want to show you exactly what happened when New York session opened, especially on EURUSD, which is going to be really interesting. So, as you know, I always start my video with with Golden Incubator results on our brand new accounts that we installed in March 7th. So in the first day, we gained over 2.27%, and today's date is March 17th, which is almost 30% on a $1,000 account, which in dollar is $297. And this is my VPS account. On this account, as you can see, March 17th, these are the trades that it took in profit, a few losses, but it actually compensated all of the losses after that, and in total, as you can see, $297. So you can try Golden Incubator for 7 days for free. So far it's 7 days. Maybe I maybe I actually reduce the free trial, maybe I just remove it completely. So far it's 7 days. Go check out smartyincubator.com, grab your license, send us an email, and we'll manually activate your account. So without any further ado, let's get into EURUSD. So EURUSD, if I go to this time frame, so I'm gonna go for 8 a.m. This is exactly where I wake up in the morning, and I want to show you exactly what happened. So 7:35, 8 in the morning. Okay, so this is what exactly happened. So for EURUSD on a 5-minute time frame, if you zoom out, you'll notice that we have higher highs and higher lows structures. So this is higher highs and higher lows. It means that we have a bullish momentum in our trend, and my bias personally would be towards taking a long position, even the same as 15-minute time frame. So we had a huge spike towards upside, break of a structure, starting to create higher highs and higher lows. So what I personally do, except analyzing 5-minute and 15-minute, I go to 1 hour and identify all important levels, including support and resistance and supply and demand. So I go to 1 hour, and then I notice that we have this resistance level exactly right here with so much liquidity above it. So as you can see, we have so much liquidity around this area that I think that the price is trying to reach this level to stop out all these sellers here that took the position around this area and put their stop loss here, and because of these higher highs and higher lows structures that we can also see in 1 hour time frame. But if I get back to 5 minutes time frame, you'll see that we have this high probability order block exactly right here. So this is a high probability order block that we have. So, and since we are kind of biased towards taking an uptrend, taking a long position, I was just waiting for this. But one more thing that it did was using my Fibonacci level, because we have a break of a structure here, and this is exactly where it started, right? From here all the way to here, right? This is where the correction has started. So we have our golden zone right here too. So I had two targets. The first target was my Fibonacci level, which is this one, and then as you can see, it literally tapped into this level. It respected this zone, which is our golden zone, and it actually shot towards upside. So but if you wanted to take this trade, what you could do was putting your buy limit here, your stop loss here, and your TP somewhere around here. It would be a really good 1-to-4 risk reward ratio trade if you wanted to actually take the whole thing. I personally don't use order limits, order limits, so I just wait for the price to actually close and then I take my position. But since this is not really good, and also we have this high probability demand zone here, I was just waiting for the price to tap into this level, which also, it's just disconnected. Okay, so as you can see, it literally tapped into this level and again got rejected towards upside. But in this case, I don't take my trade because this is not a good momentum to take a long position. Who knows, maybe it breaks below this level and makes it invalid. So I waited for another candle, and then I noticed this candle here. So I took my position here, put my stop loss here, and I actually wanted to close it here. It's almost a 1-to-2 risk ratio, but you could absolutely leave a runner as well, because if you remember, I went to 1 hour time frame, and then I noticed this resistance level here, which is really strong, and based on these higher highs and higher lows structures that the market is creating for the past few hours, or I would say in the past few weeks, I just wanted to leave a runner all the way to here. So this is exactly what happened. After this, the price came down a little bit, and then it literally shot up. Let me just play it for you. See what happened? It's crazy. It's literally crazy. It's super close, and it literally tapped into it. See, it's crazy. And if you wanted to leave a runner, let me show you what it would be. It would be 1-to-6 risk-reward ratio trade. So you could literally pass your funding challenge in one trade by risking 2.5%. So if you risk 2.5%, you would pass your challenge right here. Let me show you. You would pass your challenge here. Risk 2.5%, close your profit here, 10%. Because it's 1-to-4 risk-reward ratio, 2.5% is actually 10%, and then you pass your challenge. And then for verification, if you if you risk 2.5%, you would pass your verification stage in this area, exactly right here. So it's super cool if you wanted to leave a runner exactly in this area, which would be a 1-to-6 risk-reward ratio trade. That would be awesome. So just by using Fibonacci and high probability supply and demand zones, but in this case we had a very high probability order block exactly around this area, which was absolutely insane, and it could take a really good entry here, and it's literally going up like crazy. So this is what happened on EURUSD right now. Let me show you GBPUSD real quick to show you exactly what happened. GBPUSD was interesting, but we didn't have momentum, at least for me, because it was too late. I didn't wait for super long for that. And yeah, let me do a little bit of replay for you. At 8 a.m. something crazy happened. Look at this. So this is before New York session opens. Clear higher highs and higher lows. It's definitely a bullish momentum here. And then after that, after this candle, look at this. I don't know what happened, but definitely a GBP news or something, and then it came down one more time, and then after that it just started creating higher highs and higher lows around this area. See, and this is what happens. So if you wanted to wait a little bit more, you could enter your trade, since you are noticing that it's trying to create higher highs and higher lows. And also you could use your Fibonacci level, but it didn't respect it in this area, so it just literally went up, and you could use your Fibonacci level from here all the way to here, because this is where it started. We had a break of a structure, but this is where it ended, and then we have this golden zone here. It got rejected. It means that it's respected, and then you could take your buy position here and your stop loss here, and also your TP somewhere around here if you wanted to. So look at this, and then it literally went up crazy. So this is another trade that you could take, but it was late for me because I had to wait for 2-3 hours. EURUSD was way more potential, and that's why I took a trade on that one. But if you wanted to do such a thing, this is how you analyze it, only on 5-minute time frame. I didn't even go to 50-minute or an hour, because I can see that we have a huge drop towards downside, which left so many gaps in this area. So I know that the price has to go up to fill in all these gaps around this area. So that's why when I saw this structure here, higher highs and higher lows, I noticed that it's going up actually. So it was crazy. 1-to-2 risk-reward ratio, it was a crazy one, and then after that now it's going up again. So this is where it is right now. High probability order block here, and then break of a structure here. So you got to see where the correction wants to start. So you could either use your Fibonacci level, or also wait for the price to tap into this level and then take a long position towards upside. But yeah, it's crazy. I'm not going to touch GBPUSD. It's done, like, today's Thursday, so which is actually we also have tomorrow morning, but I'm almost done with that. EURUSD was a great one, 1-to-6 risk-reward ratio. I didn't take that. I just took 1-to-3. But this is how you easily analyze the market, guys. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so next time when I upload a video, you will get notified fast. And about Goldie Incubator, you know what to do. Try it for free, see how it works for you. Send us your account number, and then we'll manually activate your account so you can enjoy your profits. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.